The year is 1939. The Wizard of Oz is premiering in theaters, and you just made a new outfit to go see it. But all of your seam allowances are fraying. What do you do? Well, you're gonna get a little help from Mr. Berkeley Florian, because you are gonna fix those edges using his invention, the Florian pinker. This tool creates a pinked edge, but they are not pinking shears. So taking a closer look at these, we have a flat wheel here and a pinked wheel here. And we have a handle up here like scissors, but this whole mechanism does not open and close like scissors. So I've seen these on the internet for a while, and I've just been dying to try them out because they look so crazy. I kind of think it looks like a whale. What do you think? So I'm really excited to try these out for the first time and see how well they work on pinking fabric versus pinking shears. I'm curious if it's going to be better than pinking shears or worse, because you don't really see these anymore, but you do see pinking shears. So what happened to these? Will I be using these going forward instead of pinking shears? Let's find out. Just real quick before we start, if you'd like to learn even more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes along with the online sewing club. There's links down below for everything. So I've created a seam where I might use pinking shears, but we're gonna try the Florian pinker here. So I'm going to line up my seam so that way it's right in the mouth, the opening here of the rolling pinker, and I'm going to squeeze, and it's going to suck in the fabric. So what I'm doing is I'm lifting up this top lever and squeezing it down, and it's pulling the fabric into it, which is pretty cool because I'm not losing my position here as if I had scissor blades going up and down. And I just keep squeezing this, and I'm getting a pinked edge. Let's take a look at the other side here. So as you can see, it's separating the fabric. So I've got the edge I'm cutting off, and then I've got the edge next to my seam. And I'm just going to finish up this seam here. Now that we're done pinking, let's check it out. So you can see we have our pinked edge right here next to the seam. And you know, it was a little hard for me to control to get the hang of it at first, but overall, it looks like a pinked seam. So once I got the hang of it, I got a nice even pink from the seam. Now the thing I really like about this is that it grips and holds on to the fabric so you don't lose your positioning when you continue to squeeze. Like if you were using pinking shears and you don't line it up perfectly, sometimes you end up with like a double triangle, which is really annoying and it looks uneven. But with this one, it's just holding it and gripping it until you get to the end of your seam. So I really love the rolling pinker. I think it's so much easier to use than pinking shears. And I'm really curious, why don't they sell these anymore at the fabric and craft stores? Like what happened and why did pinking shears stay? So in conclusion, this is a new to me but old product that I will be using in my sewing adventures going forward. Thank you, Berkeley Florian. If there are any interesting vintage sewing tools that you've seen, I would love to know about them. I would love to find them and try them out. I just love trying out the vintage antique sewing tools. It's so fun. Thank you so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the new tutorials come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. And if you want to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person sewing classes, along with the online sewing club, where you get a new pattern with lessons every single month. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio right now, make sure you check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.